Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the cells that contain the highlight you want removed. This targets only affected areas and speeds the process. Once selected, look at Home, Fill Color to confirm the specific shade, because Excel treats colors differently. Now open Find and select and choose Replace so you can use format-based replacement. This first actionable step sets up a non-destructive approach. You will replace only the fill attribute while preserving text, formulas, and other formatting. You now use Replace to remove the fill attribute. Click Options, then Format and choose Format from Cell to sample the highlighted color so Excel matches precisely. Make sure the Replace with Format has fill set to no color. This tells Excel to clear only the background while leaving fonts and borders intact. Once done, click Replace All. Excel will report how many replacements occurred. If the count matches your expectation, the highlights are removed. If not, you may need to sample additional shades. Finish by verifying that text and formulas remained unchanged. Scroll and inspect a few cells. If some highlights persist, they may be different shades. Sample them and repeat replace, or select those cells and choose No Fill from Home Fill Color. Make sure to check conditional formatting rules because those rules override simple fills. If conditional formatting applied the color, disable or edit the rule in Manage Rules. One key troubleshooting tip: use Format Painter on a clean cell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.